got lethal.
They been gonna cut me, bro.
Come on. Who else is inside?
I'm right here.
Are you conscious? Can you hear me? Okay. Step up. Just give him your hands. Don't stop. Hey. Stop. Hey, stop. Stop.
I ain't doing that now. Come on here behind.
Come on. Stay on your knees. Stay on your knees. Someone take him. Someone take him.
He's got him.
Escambia County deputies in Florida were handling a routine traffic stop when a shots fired call suddenly came over the radio.
Given our units, possible shots fired north Sam and Lloyd Street, RS 913.
I'll be 1018.
10-4, it's going to be a woman wearing a pink shirt driving a black SUV.
8-1, I believe I'm going to be behind that black SUV coming off Brainerd.
Channel 1033.
As deputies raced toward the shots-fired vehicle, they had no way of knowing it to
Grandview.
Southbound Mobile.
No, southbound on Grandview at Gadsden. No.
Going eastbound, correction, westbound Jackson, westbound Jackson. Westbound Jackson. Hit the tag, I couldn't get it.
Unknown state, Henry Frank Mary 071. It's Alabama. Can I pit it?
10-4, shots fired, people.
Pit successful, pit successful. You're good. I got you, sir.
32, I still need units to head to the scene to see if we have something over there.
259 is going to be 51.
Got no vision.
No movement.
I've got, no vision. Hold up, Sarge. I'm going to come to you.
I'm out with 335. I can see a hand.
Keep your hands up! Distance dark. I don't want to create a crossfire here.
Hey, windows are tinted.
Okay.
8-1, I need someone on scene at the original location.
Sarge, can I bust that back window?
I've got glass breakers if you don't want to.
Break it right here.
Okay, hold on.
Hey, we're going to break the window. Y'all watch out.
All right, well.
Why would you run with a baby?
Keep your hands where we can see them.
Why would you do that with a baby in the car run from us?
259. I know we already said roll EMS.
You got him?
And there's an incident in the car.
You got it?
Ma'am,
Keep your
step
hands
out.
where we can see them. Is there any other children?
No.
Are you the only occupant?
No.
Who else is inside?
Hold on.
Who else is inside?
I'm coming
Can you
out.
grab a hold of her?
Yep.
I've got lethal. I've got lethal.
They been gonna cut me, bro.
Come on.
Who else is inside?
I'm right here.
Are you conscious? Can you hear me? Okay.
Step up.
Just give him your hands. Don't stop. Hey. Stop. Hey, stop. Stop.
I ain't doing that now. Come on here behind.
Hold on. Stay on your knees. Stay on your knees. Someone take him. Someone take him.
He's got him.
Other passengers, step out.
Ain't nobody else in here. Hold on. I can keep my phone. Now chill out.
Give me your phone.
Give him your phone.
No.
You're losing for after that.
Hey, chill out, bro.
You already had a baby.
You don't need that phone.
Grab me again, bro.
Just chill, babe. Chill out, babe. Chill out.
Ain't no chill out, bro.
Don't do anything stupid. Come on.
Okay. With a baby? Dude.
Got it.
Look, my shoulder already out of place. Ease up, for real. I ain't got nothing on me. You ain't even supposed to search me.
By policy, we can. As
When
long as
that
there's
policy
two deputies
passed.
and the camera, and it's not illegal.
Can I come?
In the car. Why would she run with it?
Okay. Well, we missed the power pole. That's...
Is that your baby?
Want me to take the kid?
335. You can just update fire. There is no more entrapment.
He was in the car seat. I'm holding this way, supporting him, so I'm not moving his head.
Oh, that is a big spider. Yeah, how best. Ooh. Ah,
There is some sort of rival. Looks like a BB gun or something.
BB gun? Along
It's got a
the...
magazine in it. So it's no, that's probably a BB gun. It's got a magazine.
Oh, I see what you're looking at.
Yep. It's got. That's a real gun.
Oh, that's a real gun,
That's gotta be a real gun. Yep.
What's your name? Hey, look at me. What's your name?
Alexia
Alexia what?
Goble.
Okay.
My brother pulling up to get.
Well, we'll figure that out here in a second.
Get that person out of here, James. Get him out of here. Get out of here. Well, that's fine.
Go back.
It's a rifle.
Leave it.
It's a
Get
rifle.
crime scene. Get crime
Okay,
scene.
I've already got them coming. Man, where'd that Zach tool go? Them things are expensive. Whatever. Just gives me an excuse to spend more money. I don't know what the hell I did with it. Well, I found it. Woo! Do we have a scene? Because we have recovered a firearm over here. Looks like it's going to be a pistol caliber. Straight through, you can see it with the mag in it. It's got a red dot on it.
Good job, man.
81, dude. 81 is always just bebopping around somewhere and find stuff.
What's up, man? All right, just stay in the car for me. Just stay. We got it. Just stay in the car.
I ain't got to stay in the car.
That's my son. That's our.
Okay, we'll just then stay right over here.
We just got this car.
I ain't got no weapons. I ain't got nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, call me back, babe.
No weapons, see?
I heard west on Jackson, and I was coming from Jackson. I was like, heck yeah.
I saw her fly across. Jump.
The problem is someone called around S and Lloyd, so the people getting shot at didn't call, so it could be anywhere in a couple of block radius. But dispatch heard the shooting. So, we got the rifle, and it's a car leaving that area, going westbound, where I saw it coming westbound. It fled from us, so I'm all good with this all day long. EMS right here, I'll get
How you doing? I like the stash.
Me and him are going to go talk to them. Hey, the baby's being checked. It's probably going to be taken to the hospital cautionary. I pulled the baby out. The baby's in the car seat.
Okay.
He's crying. He's nothing obvious. All right, is that your daughter? Okay.
In the car with y'all? Yeah.
You know what's going on?
Yeah, well, all I know is she ran from y'all.
So we got to call, while someone's on the call, the dispatch could hear shots being.
That's what we just told.
As soon as they tell me where they're going, I'll let you know so you can go. Okay,
so much.
not a
I
problem.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
I get nervous anytime we have to do something like this.
No, we're justified.
And then when I
doing it.
heard there was a baby in there, I was like, oh my God, I'm so glad that
What kind of gun is it? A rifle?
It's a pistol carbine, so it's a rifle, but it shoots pistol rounds.
Trying to run me over?
The kid's in the car. Yeah, it was in there. We had to pull out the back. It seemed to be in the car seat. There was nothing obvious when I pulled them out.
All right. You want us to also assess the...
They're hurting me. We'll take them. We're not... The female's fine.
Let's go look at them.
You can look at them. She's going to be yelling.
Dude, oh my God, Casey, I am so glad that baby's okay. I hate that, dude. I hate that we're in that position, though. I just flipped a car with a baby in it. Well, I need
to go to the kids' ER. They're just going to do it as precautionary to make sure.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem. Let's interview her. Rita Miranda. Let's do him first, the guy first, because he was calmer than she was.
Hey, sir, you doing okay? You got the AC in here? Can you feel the AC? Okay, you're okay. I'm just making sure you're all right, okay?
Hey, where my mom at? I can see her.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
Once we're done, we'll walk her. I'll ask her. She's on the other side.
I ain't got nothing to say if I can.
Okay, you got nothing to say? That's fine. You're going to be charged with all of it, and you're not talking to your mama.
Okay.
Little turd. Not that you care because you ran from us. You're being charged with a multitude of firearms. You're going to lose. That's my mission.
Charged with what?
You're being charged with a multitude of felonies. Hey, are they in the back? Hey, I just needed the baby's name real quick.
Yeah, I got it.
I got the baby's name.
Hey.
This is a bag. This is a bag. You can record from right there. You're fine. Go ahead. I'm not moving my car though. Yeah, you can stand over there and do it. They allow you. Hey, dude, come on. I'm sorry to hear that, but I can't help you with this son right now.
It's her son, right?
I understand. It doesn't matter if it's her son. He's an adult.
Wait, I know it's my son.
I understand. He's adult.
Ain't that happened? Y'all flipped that car over.
Yeah.
I got witness. They record y'all.
Hey, guess what? We did. We pitted the car. That's no crime.
Y'all man over the car.
Yeah, that's what they did.
What was the reason?
Doesn't matter. Listen, you can get the arrest report. They were shooting at someone. They ran. There's a ton of drugs. Maybe if they cared more about that little baby in there, that pisses me off. Your high-pitched voice comes off as yelling.
I'm like, that's how I
What's
talk.
up? What's up?
I'm just listening.
Oh, you're listening? Okay.
Okay, so you explain
So,
to us that.
so we're going to take him to get checked out.
Yes, sir.
They're fine. He said he's got a sore shoulder. That's all he's complaining about. He's going to be checked out. He's going to be charged with fleeing and eluding.
Yes, sir.
Possession of a firearm during commission of a felony.
Yes, sir.
He's in the vehicle the whole time. How do you know he wasn't driving?
Hold on, Fat. Hold on, Fat.
You were with them in that car? No, you didn't.
I'm on the phone with them.
Okay.
Hold on, calm down.
So did they? So did they tell you they were running from us?
Calm down, Fat. Calm down.
So a multitude of felonies. So and depending on his record, it could be anywhere from 10,000 to no bond to get out.
So they got a witness. He said it was a shootout.
It was a shootout.
I didn't say it was a shootout. I said they shot at someone.
Shot at someone.
They ain't shot no one.
And that's what made them get behind him.
Thank God.
Yes, sir.
There's a ton of dope in there. Meth, marijuana, a rifle. I would worry more about him being around that than us doing that. The baby's okay. It's being checked out. Thank you. Do what?
Is you a sergeant?
Yes, ma'am. Sergeant Taylor.
Isn't it? It's a law that like y'all not supposed to chase the cars.
Nope. There's no law like that, sir. No, it is not the law. I tell you which one of y'all went to law school and which one didn't. You can if you want to file a complaint, you're more than welcome. But with real and policy, no, I'm explaining it.
Okay, so you saying the neighborhood?
There is no law that we can't chase, buddy.
The neighborhood they was in, supposed to be, there was a suspect. That was the call.
Yep. Yes, ma'am. Jesus Christ, that mother. At least that lady was. I could talk to her.